CYCU stock analysis and predictions for Monday. Is it a buy? I'm answering this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Cycurion or Cycurion, whatever you pronounce it, however you pronounce it, it is 7% down for Friday's performance. I'm also curious about the weekly performance as well, which is 26% up. All I'm like really looking to do from further lower from here is just take it even lower. Like, not that I'm just looking to like randomly short sell, but the truth and the reality is that it's a bearish market because previous idea was on point. Moving even forward, we have the supply zone. And if I see the price pulling up inside the supplies area and gives me a double break, then and only then I'm going to look to take further things lower. Without this giving me the rules, me shorting, it's not going to be the way. It's not going to be the way because it can even start taking the highs out and maybe it's going to be a whole buying trend. We are going to see. Not coming at the conclusion just straight up. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That is a free newsletter.